Is that a question?
Yes.
The question is futile.
That information is not available.
My interpretation of the data leaves little room for error.
You know what they say. No good deed goes unpunished.
Morning. So I went ahead and made a few more this morning because I felt ill, so I got up early, 5:30. Been watching some QSO live streams. Anyway, I can't watch them while I'm working, while I'm streaming, so I'll be rebroadcasting someone else's stream, so I can't do that. Let's just see if we got some audio, if it ever catches up. Let's browse out. Have they changed JavaScript or something? Because it's not refreshing. I'll force it to refresh. So I can't do that. Yeah, let's just see if we've got some audio. So we have got audio. Yeah, something's changed. Never used to catch up straight away. It's like the amount of time it refreshes to see if anything's changed has changed, been extended. Anyway, so I'll show you what we've got so far. Here we go. So I've just printed it. Well, I'll show you all this. Like, this is what we've got so far. Took it off the pole. See if I can do it without spilling. So we've got the bottom spreader plate. That's ready, and we've got the first collet above that. Goes like that. Then we've got the big second spreader plate and the second collet, and I'm currently printing a third spreader plate, and I've already designed the third collet ready to be printed, and I'm now on the very top spreader plate, which is half the size of this. And what I'm going to do is, well, 3D print a little holder for this, so you can just pile them all on like that. But I'd like to combine it so you could make it into a holder for your cable, maybe. Anyway, let's crack on. Right, here we go. Yeah, I'm not feeling too well today. I was off last week. Well, I wasn't off actually. I was working with fever, sickness, all sort of close to sickness. Plenty of stomach bug upset. Don't know what it is. Norovirus, food poisoning. I have no idea. So I'm supping on tea at the minute. Okay, so let's crack on then. The Bambu studio is busy. Let me just bring that over here so we can keep an eye on it. It's busy printing the third spreader plate. Now these are the same as the second and the first, apart from the centre is smaller. Okay, and let's get back to the model. I was just about to convert this into the top spreader plate. I thought I'd better stream it. So we're up to this number 4 spreader. Okay, so if I put the pole back in, I can see I've just finished making this one, or designing this one. So I've got to put a bolt, print that out next. I'm currently printing out this one. That one's currently going through motions. And I tried it on, it fits as well. Sorry, I tried this one on, and this collet, and it fits. So there's the collet that I just showed you just now. And then we've got this spreader plate. that I showed you as well, and then I showed you that collet down there. Now this collet is slightly different to the other collets as it in. I think I made it unless I think I made this slightly bigger. Let's just have a look. So see, that's not 12mm thick. So I did make that slightly bigger, but I'm not that worried because it is a lower one and it's one that needs more strength. So it's very slightly bigger. So I'm going to leave it as it is. They do get, the wall stays the same as you go up, but that wall is the same as this one. But I've reduced the middle bit. Anyway, so we're up. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 done. 6, right? 5 is printing. That's ready to be printed. The collet there. Now this one at the top, I've got to change the design of this one. So it's the diameter's smaller. It's about 80mm. So we've got 200mm on this one. So we need to make it smaller, which we've got to decide then if we're going to lose these pieces here or whether we keep it. I think we're going to keep it because they are stroke guide wires, stroke extra element, maybe. Now this 12mm doesn't come this high, so we don't probably need that. So we could just have the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and whether we keep that, I'm not sure we need it. We'll see what happens. So the first thing you've got to do is make a new disc, basically. Yeah, let's make a new disc. Now I've somehow got to copy these things and the angles won't be quite right, so I'll have to use one of these, bring it over and then rotate it around the angle and manually do it, unless I make the top one non-quick release. But it doesn't make sense for it not to be non-quick release when all the rest are quick release. So anyway, let's just have a look at it. Have I made it unique yet? Yeah, already unique. So let's go in and get rid of some stuff. We'll sort the size out after. In fact, tell you what we'll do. We'll grab the geometry we want. We want certain geometry to carry over. Because we're going to use the collet again. Idea of connecting it, which seems okay. Let's get the rest of this. Oh, what happened there? Okay, so we want that and that. I think that'll be about it. Whoops. Okay, that's all we want off that, I think. Yeah. So I'll copy that out. Paste it in place. Right. Then we're going to delete. Yeah, so we're going to delete this now. To go into this, I've got to delete this stuff. So can I just do that? Not sure. Let's see what's happened to it. Yeah, I can do that. That makes it quicker. Right, just have a look in X-ray, make sure there's nothing rogue left out. No, so we'll start with that exact one. And we'll put on the sizes we need. Let's save that. So the sizes for spreader 4, top diameter is 6.5 radius. Okay, so I'll go in here and I'll go 6.5, and then we'll turn it over, do the bottom one, which is 8.4. 8.4, right, okay. Eight 0.4, and we'll drop that down by 6 mil, and we'll do a bevel on it of 5 mil, 0.5 mil, sorry, 0.5 mil there. Just puts an edge on it so it helps to get on easier. Right. Okay, now then we've got to do the 12 mil. So when it come out of there, just save. Need to get the calculator. So we've got to work out the top smaller diameter, 6.5 plus 12, 6.5 plus 12, 18.5. So we've got to create another one of these on here. 18.5. Oh, we should put that. Let's just double check. 12 mil. Let's add this to this. Call it wall radius equals, was it 18.5? .5 plus 12, yeah, 18.5. There we go. Right, so we got that. Yeah, I'm currently fighting against some kind of bug, food bug or poisoning. Don't know what it is. It's been going on since Wednesday morning early. So we don't know whether it was norovirus, food poisoning or what. Anyway, weird one. Right, so we've got that there. That is the right size. So we need to bring this up by, is it 20 mil? I think it's 20 mil. It's 26 mil. Let's go and check. Let's check the bottom one. $26 mil. Oh, 26 mil total. So yeah, it's not quite right then. Let's just check this one. $14.25. Oh, it's got a rise, hasn't it? That's now it's difficult to work it out. So we can go like that. You can't work it out. Let's work it out on the collet. Make sure these are right. So 26 mil total. So it's 16, 10 and 16. Oh, don't draw a line. Just measure. Yeah, 14.5. Anyway, let's get back up to this one. So we've gone a bit too high. So it should have been. Let's come down. 4 mil. What have we got now? 16 plus 10, 26 mil. Yeah, that's it. And then we want. I'll leave the other bit for a minute. Right, so we've got to reduce the diameter now. Oh, we might as well push this through now. Let's push that through. So if I remember how far to go down, 6 mil. So it's 4 mil down, isn't it? Yeah, 4 mil down, and we'll tip it upside down. And we've just got to swing this down now. 2 mil. There we go. That holds the bottom pole, stops it sliding down. Okay. Right, so that's that. So we can finish the collet off if you like. Let's get the geometry we want. There we go. So we've got to work out how far to move all this by. Now as we're getting smaller and smaller, we're getting more and more of a problem. 4.321. Oh. 4.370. 4.37. So if we grab all of this stuff. Let's move the poles and move it out over by 4.37. That's better. Yeah, that's alright. Now, because the radius is getting smaller, these things have to be moved back. So, if I deselect, or leave them where they are, deselect these two and the lower ones, then everything has got to move back enough to get it on, which is normally about, that's 1.25. So I've got to move these back across the green axis. Let's say 1.2. Okay, now that should give me enough to get the, yeah, just about get enough in there. Yeah, that's good. Okay, right, that is, so the collar will wind up on it. Right, that's okay. So what I've got to do now is draw it out. Yeah, draw it out. So we'll draw it out now. We need to show the rest of the model, and I have to draw over it. Okay. And this way as well. Just makes it quicker. Use it as trace over so you know where it's all got to go. And that's what happens if you reduce the diameter. You've got to keep the bolt fixing everything the same. Right, so that, oh, that should be enough now. So if I hide the rest of the model, and I can now bring those down 12 mil and 12 mil, and I think that's 14.5 if I remember right, 14.5. Let's find out. I think that's right. We can come out and have a look if they line up. They do line up. Okay, so I've done a few of them now so I can remember. Right, so what we need to do now is grab that, and oh, we need all that. Just about fits in there. And I want the other one. Yeah, we've got them. So I'm going to cut them now. Go into the model and paste them in place. Now this can come down to 0.5 mil. And that can then be pushed up to there. And then we can go and get the last hole, which is that. Cut and back into this, paste in place. Should be able to push that through to there. That's all we need off that, so we can then come out and get rid of our geometry we put in for tracing. That's it. So we've got the new collet size in the middle, so that's it. So we can just have a look around it. Yeah, looks good. Okay, so let's come out of X-ray mode. Yeah, so that middle bit is all done. It should fit around the pole just nice. There's the pole, yeah, and see if it fits around the bottom one. That's a good thing about modelling the pole. Yeah, it's all spot on. And you could do X-ray to have a look. Yeah, it's all right. It's okay. Right, so that's the middle bit done, but the spreader plate is too big for the top one. It needs to be reduced by half. So we are going to have a little bit of a problem. Not much of a problem, a bit. Anyway, let's just save that and I'll have a sip of drinks. Stomach's feeling not good today. My body's currently trying to fight off some kind of illness, bug, stomach bug, whatever it is, poisoning, don't know. Anyway, so we got to reduce the side of the pole again. Did we create top plate? Yeah, we already created a layer for that one. That's fine. So we can go above it, go into it and go above. We need to work out where can I come out of it. Yeah. So I need to work out the diameter. So I'll put in a bit of a radius thing here. I'll tell it we're staying on that level. It's gone too far in. Oh no, it's because we're, yeah, it was right. It is right, it's just, yeah. So let's go again. If we hold on there, press up arrow, it locks it to that level. We need to come out and do so I'll say 80 mil, so we'll go 40 mil radius. It's not showing it up, why not? Oh, it is. That's not a lot, is it? it's not a lot. Let's just have a look. $80 So that's our $80. It's a lot smaller than the $180. Okay, so do we go any less? Do I go any less? Yeah, because the collet size is making it look worse than what it is. I think I'm going to go a bit bigger. Let's undo the circle. I'm going to go away from what people are saying. And I'm going to... Right, I'm going to do 100 Yeah, I'm going to do 100 So 50 That's better. That looks better. Yeah, that makes more sense. Right, 100 for the top one. That'll do. Okay, so what I need to do now is yeah, I need to come down. Yeah, so what I could do with is deleting some of the stuff. So I'm going to go into here. I'm going to just grab that there like that. Delete and grab that there like that. And that. So I deleted some of the stuff. And let's delete another one there. Okay, then I'm going to come out and I'm going to push that down same thickness. We'll keep it all the same thickness. Yeah, we'll keep it the same thickness, so it's 12mm thick. Oh, was it 10mm thick? I think it was 10mm, wasn't it? Yes, 10mm thick. What have I done with that? I just lost them. There it is. Alright, so 10mm thick. So we're going to go 10mm thick. There we go. Right, let's try and bring it up together. So that's our base model. But we do need to make it aerodynamic, so we're going to have to come in. I can't remember how far in it was now. I'll have to have a look at another one. Try and work out. $3mm. Okay, we came in 3mm and we went down 3mm, or was it 3.5mm? So let's come in 3mm. Let's go around the other side and do another one. Another one. Another one at 3mm. And then we're going to drag down the side. I can't remember whether it was 3mm. Let's say 3.57. Yeah, 3.5. And drag the top up, well, bottom up by 3.5. And that should give us 3. Let's just make sure. Can't remember if that's what it did. Oh, 4 mil. So we've come too far. Right, so undo, move, undo, move. Grab this one, we're going to bring it down 3 mil. And push this one up by 3 mil. And that should give us a 4 mil. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so we've got our base. It's not part of the model yet, so let's make it part of the model. Cut and paste in place. There we go. Okay, we might as well paint it, I suppose, so it looks like the rest. Okay, now right, we need to probably just intersect that and that, intersect the faces with the model. Yep. Okay, so we've done that. So we need to delete that and delete that maybe. Oops, we're not quite there. Did we delete the wrong thing? Let's undo, erase on that. Now we're gonna drop this down if we can. Drop this down 4 mil, I think it was. But we've got an extra thing going on here, so to delete that. That's it. Seem to have another surface here. Right, okay. I've got an extra something going on here where we've intersected it with the model. I'm gonna have to manually get rid of it. Just make sure we haven't messed up the other side. No, we're okay. Let's have a quick look what's going on here. Okay, so it's busy working away. It's got another hour and 35 minutes. It's coming to the end of the filament. Should be enough to finish that off though, I would have thought. Alright, let's carry on getting rid of this hole, this extra geometry that SketchUp's put in for us. And we didn't want it, but I mean, it's almost like it scrams. It scrams and puts it in as opposed to not putting it in. Okay, is that it? Yeah, looks it. Let's see if there's any. Yeah, let's just have a look. X-ray mode, make sure there's nothing rogue going on. Oh, yeah, there is rogue. We've got an extra piece there. Don't know why. Alright, okay, now we haven't. That's probably something to do with that plane of his existence. The way SketchUp creates its manifolds. Right. Okay, that looks okay to me. Let's just select a few surfaces. Okay, to make sure the surfaces are what we think they are. So far, so good. How you doing, mate? Hi, Andy. Good morning, Andy. Oh, I can't spell today. Yeah, we're almost done on this one, Andy. Starting to look good. Yeah. Oh, you got some eyes on. I can never find those things when I look for them and never get them. You need, yeah, probably got a widget. Have you got a widget running, or you know how to find your? I forget emojis. What do they call them? Emojis. Yeah. So I think this is okay. Yeah, it's picking up the surfaces correctly. Yeah, we're all right. So we've got the shape, we've got the size. I've made mine a little bit bigger to allow for the wires to be in approximate right place. Let's put the pole back. Should be okay on the pole. Yeah, everything is good. Right, let's concentrate on putting the holes in now. I was going to save that when I save it. Yeah, I did print a load of them out. I'm gonna have to make a little stand for this. Gonna have to make a little stand, a little pole stand that tapers like that. So round pre-prints you can put up, stack them all together. So I've got the big one that works. Then I've got the collet for that one. That sits on top of there. Then you got this one that goes on there, and this one sits on top of there. I'm printing the third one now. I've already designed the collet to goes above that, and I've got the spreader plate I'm doing now, the top spreader plate. This material's very slidey, so it just, you know, you've seen it. You've seen it. You've had some. Right. Anyway, yeah, so this is the last one. So it's got to look something like, have I got a picture of it? Yeah. Something like this, but I'm not going to do all this rounded stuff. You know, I'm combining the clamp with it, so we don't have to worry. Put it where you want, really. This you have to file it out. You've got to file it and put it wherever it wants to sit. With the clamp, I can put it wherever I want it to go. It's got an amount of tolerance. You can go either way, about 6 or 8 inches up and down. So this has just got the holes in. So there's 6 holes. Okay, so. Yeah, we're almost there. And obviously, when I've done that last one, and I don't know if I need a collet. If you need a tester for them, I'm available. Have you got a signature 9, Andy? Have you got one? Signature 9. I don't know if you could. That's what I've done. I bought me a signature 9 now, so. Well, I'm going to put mine in the garden. I can't wait. I wish I could do it today, but we've got bank holiday off soon, so. Yeah. So, I've got to have a word with Callum as well, because I don't want to affect anything he's doing, so I've got to give him the first choice, I think, of anything. To say, look, I've made these for myself. Do you want to use the design for anything, if you know, or not, or do you want, you know, you can use it because he's the designer of the antenna, isn't he? Really? How is them with UV? I have one. How is them with you? Oh, you got one of it. Yeah. This is ABS, made with ABS, so it's designed for enclosures for outside, so it's UV. Oh, it's fine for UV light. Supposed to be. ABS. If you go on here, Bambu Labs ABS UV question mark. I've already looked at this because I have them on my enclosure. It's not inherently UV resistant and is a poor choice. Oh, right. It's telling me something else today. Struggles outdoors. Well, it didn't tell me that when I was designing my enclosures. I thought it was UV okay, stable. So ASA is, yeah, you can print it out and other stuff, still the same model, but I bought a load of blooming. I'll just use ABS, it prints without any trouble. Is not inherent UV resistant and a poor choice for, it told me it was. Oh, it thinks about plate, yeah. Standard ABS contains a rubber compound, buttered, what? I can't say that. That breaks down under direct sunlight. Over several months outdoors will cause ABS to yellow, become brittle, lose its impact strength, crack under tension of your guidelines. Okay. I should have known that earlier when I bought the bloody stuff. Better ASA if you want to print a spreader plate, survive years in the elements, use an ASA. Acrylon trial styrene, waterproof, was outdoor. Okay, so we'll have to use ASA then. I did a research on it and it said it was they use ASA outside on junction boxes. Not ASA, sorry, ABS. We buy junction boxes and we put them outside. And you buy them off the electrical wholesalers and you connect all your cables up. They're ABS. So, don't know. What does Bambu Labs say about it? Maybe it's the melting temperature. Yeah, you have to buy ASA, yeah. I bet it's dear as well. Official techno data sheet down ABS lists their standard as having high temperature resistance, UV resistance. Yeah, that's it. I knew it was higher temperature and UV resistance and water resistance in their general market. However, this is a broad industry comparison relative to generic plastic. Yeah. Engineers, so it's better than PLA or PETG. Engineers and material science data sheets clarify that standard ABS as low long-term outdoor use. We use them all the time. Don't know what it's talking about. Anyway, when you print them, you just print another one if you want another one. I'm going to put mine out as just ABS. I've got a printer, so I can just print more out. And for the DX Commander Expedition, definitely for that, because that'll be up and down like a yo-yo. So we'll see. We'll give it a try. We'll see. We don't get that. maybe it thinks we're in America. Or mind you, we had some sun, didn't we? You might better spray them with some UV spray. You know, they do it with plastics on the retro computers. On these computers, when they go yellow, so when they retro bright them, you get a chemical reaction. It takes the layer off, and then they spray them with UV paint or something, clear lacquer stuff. Anyway, it's worth bringing up, isn't it? It's worth bringing up. ASA. Let's have a look how much ASA is then. Right, let's have a look. Oh, that's printing. Have we got? Let's go home a minute. Make a supply. Is it gonna? Right. So ASA. What's it doing now? Starting. Oh, no products. Filament. ASA, ABS. Alright, let's bring this over here. So we've got, I've selected ASA. There's ASA. ASA CF. Yeah, it's. I'll pay that for a roll. Look, I bought so many rolls. I got it down to that price. Bulk sale. ASA is a massive price. Look at that, 3 times the cost. Yeah, so won't be doing that. I ain't paying that much for a roll of that. So I mean, they can print them out whatever they want if they want to pay the extra, but I just want to try the strength out, and if mine fail, I'll just print another one out. You know what I mean? But yeah, this is expensive to print it out in other stuff. I think that'll be fine. If it lasts a few years, I'm okay with it. You got to keep an eye on your swar, though. You know, if you want to keep an eye on it. Yeah, it's worth thinking about. 1 hour 22 on this one. Yeah, because I've got these junction boxes that go outside in the rain and in the UV that I've made. And they're made of ABS. It's not injection molded ABS, so maybe it's not as good as an injection molded. But we use, and they do go brittle. They discolour. The boxes go discoloured, and they do go brittle over years and years. But the chances are your antenna's going to be up and down like a yo-yo every year. As the DX Commander sways in the wind, it's going to come stretch and all sorts, and the signature line, you can pull it out of the socket, bring it down, put it back in. So as long as you can print another one out, you know. I'll just start with something. You just got to start with something, like. Anyway, let that carry on. So where did I get to on this? Oh yeah. So I was about to copy these, weren't I? So I need a layout now. So let's grab a layout. So I'll grab that, because we want the same. Yeah, I'm not going to worry too much about the about the UV. Because I'll just print another one out, and you can upload your STL file to an online service. They'll print you one out. You can select your material, but I could print 3 out for the price of the electric and that and the time. But with the same cost of material, I could print 3, so I have some spares. You know, you could just print spare. We'll have to try it. I'll have to try it all through next summer. In the sun, we'll see what it's like. We'll bring it up and down. Yeah. Right, I need to now. Oh, I'll copy some of this, don't I? Right, so I'm going to copy that. So I've got to place that paste in place. Then I've got to bring it up. Where's the rest of it? Right, I've got to take that up. Keep going all the way up to the other bit. There it is. Right, I'm going to put it flush with that there. Right, now I've got, it's on the same thing, so I've got to push it up to there enough. So which one did I just grab? Didn't grab the wrong one, did I? Did I grab the 12 meter one? I did, didn't I? Yeah, I grabbed the wrong one, look. We're not doing the 12 meter one. So I needed to grab this one. I need to, oh yeah, I need to grab that one without that. I'm gonna have to spin them round. I should grab them all really, and just, yeah, grab them all and push them in. Let's do that. Not that one though. That's the, that doesn't go up that high. 12 meter doesn't go all the way up there. So we'll grab all these, we'll put them all up the top, and then we'll just push them in. And that'll give us our sizes and everything. Yeah. Yeah, so what I've got to do is I'm going to I'll try it out, or at least get a communique off Callum and say, look, this is your project. I made myself some STL files for these spreader plates. Would you like to do something with them or control them in some fashion? And if he's not bothered, I'll put him on Maker World. If he's bothered, then I will just leave them in his hands, basically. Just say, here it is. It's up to you whether you make it public or not. But I don't want to, you know, cause any trouble. I'm just trying to make my own, you know. If sharing it is going to be a problem, I don't know. I don't know if it will be or not. There's no charge for it. I've just got the file, whether. Anyway, I'll need to probably. Yeah, I'm just making my own. So, right, I think that's enough. So I'll copy that. Let's copy that. Don't think we need them. Don't think we'll have room for them. So copy that. Pull them out of there. And bring them all the way up. Yeah, because he sells the kit as it is, doesn't he? So you're supposed to buy the kit off him, really. I'm not selling anything. All I'm doing is making myself a file. You know, a replacement part for myself. That's all I'm doing. Right, so we've got, oh, that's the 12 meter one, isn't it? We're not having that one, are we? Well, we could have it on, but I think we'll leave that off. So get rid of that. So I've got to then move these inward now. And that's not so easy, is it? Moving them inward. So I'll have to look at it from above. So I'll grab this one by the end like that, and it's got to be moved in towards there, yeah, but by a certain amount. So what I need to do is just measure where we're going to go with it up to there. 37, 35 maybe. Let's say 36. Let's say 36. So I'm going to move that into there based on the middle there, but tell it 36 mil. Ah, I forgot the size of this. So, okay, 36, so it, oh god, undo. Right, what I need to do is, it keeps disappearing. Measure, right, 36 mil. Let's say that needs to, hang on. So 15 mil, 16 mil. 16 mil, I forgot how far it was it 36? So 50. Right, so if I grab it from there and move it, oh god, I wish I wouldn't do that. Move it to there. So 36 mil plus 15 is 50, 51 mil, is it? Where's it gone? Oh, there it is. Yeah, might be a bit too much. Yeah, it needs to come back a bit. How far though? Yeah, come back. Okay, so undo that. Nearly, we're getting it set slowly. So we're going to grab it from there, move it this way. Like that, and we're going to move it 50 mil. Yeah, that's about right. 50 mil. Whew. Yeah, because on my expedition, you know, I actually wish I didn't buy an expedition now. I wish I'd have bought a Venture instead. Because the expedition has got so many more poles. It falls down, great for going up a mountain. But I ain't going up a mountain. And I can get a pole. Should have bought a Venture, not I'll try it. I've bought it now, so what I'm going to do, you know. There's so many poles in it. It's got a lot of poles in it, which means a lot of extra fittings just to get the shorter length. But if you do want to walk up a hill or a mountain, but you've got to carry all the stuff with you. But if you're going to do that, you might as well just have one or two. Do you know what you could do with I was just thinking, you know what you could do? You could just tape them on. Couldn't you just tape them on? Put 3 elements on a pole and just stretch it out, put your cables out and just insulation tape, and just have a different SO239 on the bottom and just plug in whichever one you want. Whip. You could do that if you're, you know, if you're expedition. Anyway, I suppose there's a reason for it. Right, let's crack on. I actually feel ill now. My stomach. I feel nausea. I feel like I'm hungry, but in a way that you don't want to eat. You feel ill. Nightmare. Right. Right, so we've got to go over to this. Oh. That's not enough angle. Oh, it's all gone wrong now, isn't it? Right, so you've got to grab it with the right amount of angle on it. And you've got to come over here, find the middle. And when you found the middle, you've got to select 50mm. There we go. Oh. Where's the other one? Where's the one I've just done? Why am I doing that one again? Oh crikey. Hang on. Right. That's just, I don't know what happened there. I must have undone something. I can't get to it. Oh, see that? Oh. Right. Bloody hell, it's a bit of a nightmare, isn't it? Right. Let's get these in, so hopefully I can start printing out 50mm. What's this other one doing? Let's have a look. Okay, 1 hour 7 minutes. Yeah, this is honeycombed as well, Andy. It's honeycombed, so even if this top surface gets brittle, it can't crack through because it's honeycombed. This, you could smash this with an hammer and it'll probably, you won't be able to destroy it properly. I've tried it before. I've tried, because the way it's honeycombed, it's not like striations straight through it. You can't snap it. It is, there's nothing lined up, so everything's crisscrossed. It's like webbing, you know. We'll try one. I've got some of these first ones I did. I'll try and snap it in a bit. Right, anyway, we've got them two. Let's get the rest done. Right, 50mm. Almost there, almost there. Oh, come on. Nearly there. Yeah, I feel it. I feel like I'm hungry, but I feel ill, so you don't want to eat. Hungry, but you don't want to eat. It's crazy. 50mm. I'm diabetic as well, so unless my body's changed and it's suddenly getting worse, but well, I've had a stomach bug or poisoning, not sure what. Not sure what. Oh, we've got one left to do. One left to do. Okay. Right, so we've got them there. Yeah, all we've got to do is join up the ends now. So, yeah, join up the ends. Like that. I think that is good. And oh no, that's no good. Let's look at it from above. Is it okay? Oh, it's actually okay when you're above. Let's take off. No, what am I looking at? It's alright, I'm looking at this one. There we are. That's it, that's okay. Let's do it. Carry on. Yep, they're alright. That don't look right, does it? Oh, it might be. It is. Just look funny then for a minute. Is that good? No, that doesn't look right. That one didn't look right, did it? No, that one's not right either. Right, so what is wrong? Hang on, I want to go up and down with this one. Doesn't want to do it, does it? Wants to go, okay, so it wants to go there. I'll have to put it wherever it wants to go, I suppose. Beggars can't be choosers. Right, is that it? Yeah. So, what next? Right, yeah, I do feel sick today. And that doesn't look right there, does it? Hang on, let's come out of this. Let's get back in perspective mode. Doesn't quite look right to me. I don't know what's going on with that. So if I was to go like that, it just doesn't look right. Does it matter? Maybe. Yeah, it doesn't look right. Bugger, eh? Bugger. Can't just go anywhere. I'll tell you what, I'll have to draw a line here. Then I'll have to draw a line to there. I want to. I have to. I don't know what to do. Measure from there to there. 1689. 0.689. Draw from there to there. Okay. Right, okay, we'll do it that way then. Then come down to there, to there. No, why is that playing around there? What's that all about? Nope, it's drawn a striation. Striation. That's a new word. Probably not the right word, but yeah. It's drawn a striation. A rogue, a bit of rogue. Right, this is annoying, isn't it? Yeah. Right, what we got? 9 o'clock. Alright, so we've got time for this one because we're still printing out the other one and we've got to print college yet. It's just completing, another hour to go on that one. Right, I don't know. Oh my god, look at that. It's drawing it up there. Right, does that look... Yeah, it looks... No, it doesn't look right, does it? Definitely... That one looks okay, but this one doesn't. Much better. I don't know. I feel ill now. Yeah, I don't feel well now. Ugh, I feel sick. Oh well. I think I might have to go and eat something. Sounds crazy. Go and eat something to stop feeling sick. Strange, isn't it? Anyway, right, I don't know. What shall I do? Yeah, so I'll carry on with this. We'll let this carry on printing. Oh, that's in the air. Look at that one. What's that all about? How did that end up in the air like that? That's amazing, isn't it? So we've got one right in the air there. Okay, so we'll have to delete that one. Go down and fetch another one. That's all we need, isn't it? Right, copy that. Paste it in place. Go up. What's it doing? Oh yeah. Go up to this one. And we need to be level with that. Yeah, and we need to bring it in. Bring it in. $50 mil. There we go. And then put these in. Of course, it doesn't want to go. Use that as the datum. It's not. That's not right. So use that as the reference. I tried to. Come on. No, it just wants to do that. What a pain in the butt, eh? Pain. That's because it's got no real angle to it, has it? There's the angle. I want that angle there. Okay, we'll just go with it. Maybe it is right. Maybe it's just me looking at it weirdly. Yeah, maybe it's just me. Yeah. Okay, it's probably just me. It looked weird though. Oh well. Right, let's see if we can just finish this off. Put it wherever it wants to go, I suppose. Wherever it likes to go. Okay, so yeah, carry on. Right, don't know. No, one's wrong, isn't it? That's not right. That's probably right. Yep. Okay. That one's done. Is it right there? It looks okay. No, it doesn't look. 1 minute it looks okay, next minute it looks weird. Right. Okay. Right. Yeah, I've got to send a message to Callum and say, look, I've made myself some. Any objections to putting it on Maker World? If he says no, then I won't do it. Because I'm making myself some. I don't want to have a problem with anyone. He may have tried this already, for all I know, and decided against it for whatever reason. That's okay. Yeah, alright, next one. clever how it finds it. If you move around, it's dead clever how it finds it. I should have my radio on, really. Let's put the radio on. Let's have the radio on. Which one do we want on? The main one? Yeah. Shall I switch on my 101 MP? I wish. I wish. Ah, my beautiful 101 MP. Where's he in between? Is it one of those activations where they sit between? Right, it'd be nice to be able to go on 40 metres instead of listening on 20 all the while. At some point. Oh, have we done it? Yeah. So, we're almost there. Now, what have I got to do now? Not so easy to create the geometry.
Okay, I'm moving it.
Right, let's put it in the model then. Alright, so we're going to have to grab everything now. Cut it. Push it into the model.
I'm QSY 225.
Now, I've got it there, but okay, so I've got certain bits interacting with the plane of existence, for a lack of a better word. Right, okay, so how do we do it now? I've got to make a hole. I've got to drop that down. I can't lower that. Oh, I can. Right, so it goes 6mm, doesn't it? No, it's a 10mm thick. 5mm. 5mm. Let's just make sure it is 5mm. I can't remember. It's 5mm. Okay, and we've got the diameter. We need the diameter of this hole next. 5mm. And we've got the diameter of that hole and the cutout, so that's not too bad, is it? Okay. Yeah, I feel ill again, on and off. I feel fine, then all of a sudden you feel like you want to, be sick. It's crazy. So we've got that. Let's have another hole in the middle then, if it'll allow us one. So 2.5mm. Oh, undo. Let's go into the model. .5mm. So we need to push that down. 5mm. That'll make us our hole. Yeah, should do. Yeah. Okay. Now we've got to split up this section so we can delete certain things. No, that's not right. Can't delete that. Ah, because we haven't got any lines, that's why. So we want some lines. Oh, we also need some lines out here. Right, so we need to copy the lines we've got. So we'll grab that, that, and that, and that, and that should be enough. So copy. Oh, we're just gonna go like this. Control and lift up, press up, and go up 5 mil. Yeah, should do it. That's on the surface, isn't it? Yeah. Okay. So we've got to extend these lines to there, and then extend them lines to the other side. Then pull out this and that. No, we missed a bit. Oh no, that's right. No, no, we don't want that. Undo that. Undo that. So we need to push that down to there. And that one down to there as well. Okay. Then we've got to should be able to then delete these lines here. Okay, and also these, that, and that, and that, and that. That. Right, is that it? I think that's it, isn't it? Probably need to fill that in there. Yeah, and fill that in there, yeah. Then smooth it. Oops, smooth it. See what it got rid of. What did it get rid of? Can't really tell. So let's come out of X-ray mode. So should be able to get rid of that, maybe. Yeah. Need to paint a white area. What's happened to the guy on the radio? He's gone. Okay. He's left me high and dry. Where's the radio? Just tried 15 meters now, 12. Okay, we go to 40 meters. When are they going to give us the extra 100 megahertz? Is it megahertz? Like the Americans have on 40 meters.
And we should have 23 degrees this afternoon. The blue sky, the sun shining, quite cool, and compared to the
5 and 20. Bloody hell.
A little bit more than 1 week ago, we had several heat waves The first one was in May, bruv. So we need rain. We had a bit of rain a few days ago, only 4 millimeters. My water tanks are almost empty, over.
Water tanks are empty. Right. Okay, so that looks okay. Got an extra line there, look. And an extra line there. And an extra line there. Okay, so all the extra lines are gone with a bit of luck. Yep, that'll do. Right, so there we go. Just got to do that again another 5 times. Yeah. Another 5 times. Let's see what's going on down here. Yeah, don't sit in the same room as your printer. Put your printer in a ventilated room.
We're normally after mid-August temperatures are much acceptable. They could have some Indian summer in September, but it's we're expecting rain now. We're expecting rain according to the forecast. So the rain will be welcome. We don't expect, we're not looking for thunderstorms. Could be terrible. But yeah, that was terrible with fires.
Terrible?
Not where I live, but in south part of France, in the Spain.
Thunderstorm is terrible. War isn't, though.
Even in Belgium. So, okay, Brad, thank you very much for the contact. I think you will be one of my last contacts.
I've got to get Station Master set up properly at some point as well. Get that set up and give it a go. Give it a good go. Poor Stuart put so much work into it.
Back to you for the final, Brad.
Yeah, a lot of hard work. Right, what am I doing? Oh, 37 minutes on that. So I get bored if I do a lot of repetitive stuff. I get bored quick. So anyway, let's just get the next one going. Okay, so what did I do last time? I just fetched that down. 5 mil, wasn't it?
Yeah, Brad, yeah, you see the grass is not as green as on the peak chat.
And I need to...
It's horrible, but after the 4 millimeters of rain, it's getting a little bit greener.
Copy these down.
But, I took this picture, this photo, I don't remember what it was, probably in spring. It was beautiful green.
He sounds like he's from Portugal. They speak like that. I recognise the accent. I bet he's from Portugal. Portugal. He's from Portugal. Okay.
Bye-bye. Any more DX, any Delta, any still some DX coming through? Fox 6 Alpha Romeo Charlie.
Fox 6. Fox 6 Alpha Romeo Charlie. Let's have a look.
Okay, yeah, Daryl. Well, it's getting late and you're coming through. Yeah, we worked. Oh, yeah.
Fox 6 Alpha Romeo Charlie.
It was 0747 and it's now 08.
Southwest of Paris.
What is 0825? I'll copy Daryl, over.
Oliver. Hello, Oliver. How are you doing? Oh, that's a fancy Moxon you got in your beam. Bloody hell. It's one hell of a fancy antenna. Jesus Christ. Look at that. Some engineering in that. Wow. Look at that bloody thing for an antenna. Homemade 5-band HF beam, 2 active elements, homemade rotary dipole. So it looks like a Moxon there, doesn't it? That looks like a Moxon. Oh well.
Thank you very much for stopping by. I have some other stations calling. I'm going to go QRT shortly.
That's got to be the best aerial I've ever seen.
Victor Kilo 5, Juliet Delta
Wow.
Sierra, Fox 6 Alpha Romeo Charlie. Bye-bye, buddy.
Wow, wow, we were.
Checking phrase, bye-bye. Any more DX, any more Delta X-ray, over?
Oh, what's happened? Have I come off the live stream?
Victor Kilo 6 Charlie, question mark. Oh, Victor Kilo 6, is that Golf Charlie?
Yeah. So I closed my browser down.
Good morning, Gary.
Right, so where did I get to?
Golf Charlie.
It's a fantastic aerial, that is.
6 Alpha Romeo Charlie. Good morning to you. Yeah, we are upon next door. See, we have worked, yeah, with it, back in 2024.
Oh.
Name Oliver, Oscar Lima, India, Victor Easy Romeo, for Germany Charlie.
Should tell him, see, you've got one hell of an aerial, mate. What's going on there? Oh, what did I do last time? Shit, how did I do this last time? Oh, I haven't got any lines, have I? So, yeah, I've just got to join them up. Join them up. Doesn't want to go, does it? That's all too crooked, isn't it? All too crooked.
Yeah, okay, very good. VKC Germany Charlie, F6 ARC. Well, this good thing always the 100 watts into the vertical, and you still a good 5 and
Something
7.
not right there.
Very late in the morning, and it's quite amazing how his signals are struck. Today.
Okay, I'll do it a different way then.
When I came in the shack much earlier, the band was open, there's a lack of activity.
What we'll do is we'll go from there.
A lot of stations calling. Okay, so we'll see 73 if you don't mind. And I think I will turn the big switch. Thank you very much for the contact, Garrett. 73, mate, and have a good evening. I suppose you're still in daylight, so say good afternoon to you. VK6 Germany Charlie, Fox 6 Alpha Romeo Charlie, over.
God, what's he doing there?
Yeah, okay. So you're approaching your sunset, I suppose. Well, still afternoon for you, but you were picking up between, well, most of the time around the 7, and on the last over picking close to the 8 mark. So a very, very good copy, very good propagation between Europe and down under. Garrett, 73 is mate, and have a good Sunday. Evening. VK6 Germany Charlie. Fox 6 Alpha Romeo Charlie. Bye bye. Bye bye.
So something not right there.
Boston free with the Indonesia.
Yeah,
Yankee
it's not
Boston
right.
free. Let me turn the beam. Yankee Boston free. Give me a call. Yankee Boston free. Germany is at Italy Hotel. Over. Oh yeah, very nice signal. I think I heard you yesterday morning working somewhere in the UK, in England. Yankee Boston, Germany, to the hotel, Herman. And it's good to work you. Long time no hear you. Beaming along fast. You're 5 and 8. 5 and 8, Herman.
Beaming the long path. What's he on about? Yeah, he's got a massive aerial. Should be able to get people with a massive aerial. Should be able to. Right, what are we doing now? I have no clue. So I've drawn around it. So I should be able to push them down. Let's try and push them down. 5 mil and 5 mil. Okay. Go City, go CC.
Yeah, perfect copy, Herman. Yankee Boston, Germany, Italy Hotel in Indonesia. Fox 6 Alpha,
Right.
Charlie, lovely
Get
copy,
rid
Herman.
of.
A good 5 and 8. And yeah, beaming long pass. I don't believe we have short pass conditions on 20 right now. It could be on 10 or 12.
One day I will say I'm beaming the long path. I'm not beaming nothing. Beaming the long path.
And I'm really happy to make the contact with Indonesia. All the best and enjoy the rest of your evening. Yankee Germany hit for the hotel. Fox 6 Alpha Romeo Charlie. All the best. Bye-bye, Hammond.
Oh, where's it gone? Something going wrong here. Oh yeah. I'm beaming the long path.
Could you let me finish the contact?
Yeah, it's not right, is it?
I say I'm still in contact. Stand by.
So we want to get rid of that. Nope, we can't get rid of that. But we want the bottom. I want these two copied. Right, bring them down.
Okay, a little QRM from Europe. Someone was calling on top of you. But still good signals, and you never drop the right to a great signal from Indonesia. All the best, Herman, and 73. Stay safe. Yankee Boston free, Germany, Italy Hotel. Fox 6 Alpha Romeo Charlie. Bye-bye, Herman. Bye-bye, Hammond. Any more DX, over? Any more Delta X-ray outside Europe, over?
Outside Europe? I don't know what that means.
Any more Delta X-ray beaming long pass, any DX, long distance to Fox 6 Alpha Romeo Charlie.
Are we in the UK? I don't know.
Any Delta X-ray,
Are we in Europe?
Delta X-ray outside Europe, Fox 6 America
Got no
Romeo
clue.
Charlie. Any Delta
Any more?
X-ray, over.
Oops. Can't do that. Right, what have we got going on here? Has that got a surface? Right, so I want the red in there, and I want to get rid of that, and that, and that possibly, and that, and that. Oh, we want rid of, oh, why does it do that? Right.
Leaders, security axon 20, Delta Golf 0, Oscar Bravo Uniform. Denmark, Germany 0, Ocean Baker United. Security axon.
That's why, because it didn't go all the way. Oh, come on. No, that's not good. No good. Alright, so I should be able to get rid of that one now, yep. Should be able to get rid of that one, that one, and that one. Why has it gone noisy? It's gone noisy. Okay, so we want some lines. Okay, so we got some lines. So can we get rid of these now? Can. There's an extra bit of rogue line there, I can see it. Okay. So can I put that? Ah, problem. Ah, there's a problem, look, see. That line's no good. And we got extra bit here. There we go. Oops. So that's okay. That one's okay. Can't get rid of it, so I'll just make it white.
India, Japan uniform 59700.
And that should do it. Oh, hang on. Is that the same? Yeah, that's the same. So we just need to smooth it out now to get rid of some lines. See if there's any rogue lines left now. I think we're okay. Okay, that'll do that one. Yep, that'll do that one. Let's see what is going on down here. Oh yeah, another 19 minutes. So I can get that one finished in a bit, put the collet, the next collet on, and then by that time this one will be finished to go on after the collet. And then we've got to create some aluminium. I've got to go and have a look at my aluminium stock, see if I've got anything left that'll do the trick. Similar to my fan dipole aluminium that I made. Anyway, so that one's done. Next one, keep going, Dave, don't stop now. Don't stop now. $5 mil. And a hole. 2.5 mil. Push it all the way through. 5 mil. There we go. Okay. And we copy. What are we going to copy? Oh yeah. Have I copied it? I can't remember if I've copied it. No, I haven't. So we want a copy of this, 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 and this. And we need to move it 10 mil down so we can see it on the other side. Oh, that doesn't look right, does it? No, it looks on the crooked. Doesn't look right. It's definitely not right. I've got to stay at that. Right, so we've got to undo, push, pull, undo, circle, undo. It's no good doing this until we get it right. Right, they've got to be right before everything else. So there's our. I suppose the easiest thing is to grab that and that, copy them, and bring them just like that. Then get rid of the things that stick over. And there's your datum, maybe. Another new word, datum. So.
Thank you very much for 01. Good luck. Echo 74 Alpha contact. Mike 1. Mike 1 Echo 0 Fox 59707. 73 Echo 74 Alpha contest.
No, that doesn't look right.
Mexico, thank you. Echo 74 Alpha, contact.
Wants to go there. It doesn't look right. Definitely doesn't look right. I don't know. I'd tell you what we'll do. We'll leave that, and we'll go. We'll bring these down. Copy them down on 10 mil down. Okay. Okay. Maybe that'll work. Oh, it's doing 24. Why has it suddenly started doing 24 again? Right, that's weird. Oh, I see. Right, so take that out of there, and up over there. That's it, and bring these down. 5 mil and 5 mil. And then should be able to delete this. Turn it round the other way. Oh, God. Okay, what have we got left? Oh God, it's going wild. Right, so get rid of that, and that, and that, and that, and that. Okay. That and that. And that and that. Nope. Morning, Hagrid, how you doing? I hope you're okay this morning. I'm feeling weirder today. Stomach problems. Don't know what it is. I think I've been poisoned or I've caught some kind of norovirus from going back to Tuesday. Either that or I'm just hungry. I don't know which one yet. Okay. So let me get rid of that. So can I just smooth that area out? Yeah. So I can get rid of that. Wonder what you've been up to today down in Kent. It's a long way to get to Kent. The last time I went to Kent was, where did I go on the way to Kent? Must have been about 40 years ago. I went to Kent. I went to Canterbury. What's that place? Sheerness Docks. That's not Kent, is it? But Sheerness. And that is about it from that direction. Farnham and stuff like that. Yeah. But Basingstoke. It's all over there. Alright, let's get rid of this. Okay. So why won't it let me put a fill in there? Oh, it will. That's okay then. If it won't let you put it, it's because there's something wrong with it. If it lets you put it, it's okay. Right, so I'll just paint everything white again. It doesn't matter about this white stuff, but what I'm doing is just trying to make sure everything is okay. Right, I've got a few rogue lines. That's it, it's got rid of the rogue lines. So we've done three to go, chaps. 3 to go. Okay, 3 to go. It's a slow process. Right, so I've done a bit. I'll show you what we've done. Where's it gone? Why am I looking at that? Oh, there we go. So I've got collet, second spreader, and another collet and a bottom spreader ready, and then that one. I'm doing printing out the third spreader. Printing out the third spreader. Where's the desktop? Oh yeah, there it is. Printing out the third spreader. Then I've got this, the collet ready, already done, and I'm currently, I've got that collet ready to be printed. It's currently printing that one out. It's currently printing that one out. These are done. Beautiful sunny morning here in Kent. Been travelling to and from Canterbury this week. Sheerness is good for mobile radio work, as it's right on the sea. Ah, yeah. Yeah, put in. We had to go down there a long time ago. I designed an ultrasonic height measuring system, an automated ultrasonic height measuring system, and we installed it at the docks at one of these car transporter places, and we took it to a company in Bristol at the docks, Royal Portbury Docks, and then we took it to Sheerness Docks, and also we took it to the Ministry of Transport in Whitehall to demonstrate it. And the company I work for ran out of money trying to get a patent, and they tried to sell it quickly to the Americans. Yeah. I always remember that was funny because they had a local radio come down to look at it, or just I don't know, the radio station, and the gaffer swapped places with me, and he sat in the seat to demonstrate it, and he put his hands on the keyboard, and I went and hid somewhere. Yeah, that was funny. Very strange. Lot going back a long time. Using ultrasonic, a Honeywell ultrasonic silo sensor to detect the level of grain. But we're going to use it for detecting the height of vehicles, and it used to sample the vehicle's height. As the driver would drive his truck through, and as soon as anything over 3 meters, the cab is 3 meters and above, and the trailer, it would start taking samples, thousands of samples at a time, of a 40mm footprint. The sensor could read 40mm in diameter, so it would overlap. It would go take snapshot, 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 about 8,000 snapshots or samples of the height, and it would convert the analog signal into feet and inches and round it up to the nearest inch. And at the end, it would draw you a chart, pinpointing on your trailer which car or section was too high. And the whole reason was so you could choose an alternative route, so you wouldn't go under a bridge and smash the roof of a car. Bridge bashing, they call it. In this country, transporters are going under railway bridges and stuff and smashing. Their drivers aren't realising their height, and they're going under and smashing the bridges, smashing the cars, causing havoc. Well, that's what it was all about at the time. So anyway, my gaffer asked me if I could design something. We were going to put like photo beams every so many inches, photo beam, and output. Well, I said, well, we could do it on a ultrasonic sensor, and I made an analog to digital converter as a 386 computer, plugged a card in, a general purpose I/O, peripheral I/O controller in, and what did we do? Yeah, I wrote some software in, what was it? Just Quick Basic or Q Basic? DOS Q Basic. Never even had a hard drive. We built this PC, it's just a PC built with floppy drive, program running off a floppy drive. And when it read you, it draw your chart out, pinpointing, and printed your feet, your height, maximum height in feet and inches. Yeah. So that, don't know what happened, because the guy went bust and I got another job, and I don't know, I think nothing happened. Whether he sold it to the Americans, I don't know. Who knows? But anyway, it's one of them, isn't it? One of them. Right. So we got this. Maybe we can just try this one, see if it's lined up. Should be able to, as long as it's not like the last one, all a bit of rogue stuff going on. Oh, hang on. Let me just see what that is. That's gone to 24 again. Don't know why it does that. 2.5. Probably because there's not enough circles on it. We'll go down 5 mil. There we go. So we want to copy now that, and that. Take a copy of that. Go down 10 mil. There we go. So we're almost getting through this, aren't we? See, that's not quite lined up, look. That's okay. The one is, the one isn't. So we'll just get rid of that line and put that line in there. And then join these lines up. I could just do that, I suppose. Right, if there's no one on 20 meters anymore, what's going on? Where are they all gone? It's gone dead. Let's try 12. Nothing. Try 15. Nothing. Try 40. All a bit dead. Turn that off then. Let's see if there's anyone on UHF, VHF. Huh? Okay, just leave it on the call. Right. Okay. Okay. Let's go down. 5. 5. Okay. Right. Feel ill again. What's going on? Oops, where have we gone? Come back. Okay, we'll have the air. Should we have the air on?
05.
Yeah, let's have the air band on. Always
Air Canada 853, climb flight level 340.
Can always,
340, Canada 853.
if there's nothing to listen to,
Morning, Delta 59,
you can always listen to the
Delta 59,
air
good
band.
morning, climb flight level 220, report your requested level. Climb flight level 220. And requesting 360.
Always listen to the air band. There's always the air band to listen to.
Uber 29 Charlie, descend flight level 140 to be level by Zurich.
Descend flight level 140 to be level by Zurich, descend 29 Charlie.
Oh, what am I doing? Pressing the wrong buttons here.
Air Canada 853, contact London 129.380, good day. London 380, Canada 853.
Ah, don't do that. See, I've took the wall away. Don't take the wall away. If you can help it. Yeah, don't do that. Don't take the wall away. Righty ho. No, don't take the wall
Delta
away.
59, climb flight level 260.
Don't take
Climb
the
flight
wall
level
away.
260, Delta 59. Uber 22 Echo, contact London 129.080. Bye. Ryder 5 Yankee Zulu, contact London 135.805.
135.805, 5 Yankee Zulu, bye.
Bye.
Okay. Right, let's do a smooth to get rid of some extra geometry. And paint the wall. Before we do that, get rid of that. I've got an extra bit there.
London Control, Delta 32, flight level 350.
Delta 32, good morning to you. When ready, descend flight level 270.
270, when ready, Delta 32.
He's a happy fella. That was funny.
And landing, good morning, American 87, now with you climbing out of
Right.
10.6
Okay, that's another one done.
Flight level 150.
American 87 London, good morning, climb flight level 190
two more now, isn't it?
and report your requested level.
Flight level 190, stand by.
Let's see what's going on down here. Oh.
American 87
Oh, it's
requesting
finished.
flight level 360.
American 87.
Right, I'm going to go and grab that and get the next one going. So, 2 seconds. Alright, so here it is.
Uber
Now it's
290
look
Charlie,
bigger every
contact
time.
London 129
When that spindle gets smaller, this looks bigger.
129,
Alright, let's just poke these things.
American 87 left turn
Oh,
direct
it's got
Medoc.
Oh, some fun. I've run out of time now. Tomorrow I've got to go back to work, so I haven't got time to assemble my aerial. Never mind.
Moved 8 kilo, good morning, 290 knots
That's
on
the
conversion.
problem, isn't it, with his day job? Day job gets in the way.
American 87 climb flight level 260.
Just pulling out the bits,
60, American 87.
the brim. When I print it, I put a brim on it to help it stick to
Delta
the bed.
59 air climb flight level
So you
340.
gotta get the brim off.
Climb 340, Delta 59.
Actually, it's not that much. It's not too bad. That's just a bit there, like, not hardly anything. Yeah, nothing there. Okay, that wasn't too bad, was it? I don't know. Right, we'll try it. See if it'll fit on the pole. If my measurements were right. Look at that. Mad, isn't it? And it's light as well. You even wear it as a hat. If you had two, you could have two great big eyes. Did I mention I was crazy? Yeah. Anyway, alright, here we go. Let's just pull out some poles. see. Oh, should I get the other one going while I'm doing it? Let's get the other one going. Did I even export it out? I think I did. Right, let's go. Let's get this other one going. So we want a new plate. Import. So it's what was it?
Morning, Virgin 48 Whiskey Echo, descending 350 290 on possession.
7th,
Virgin 48
6th to
Whiskey Echo,
7th.
roger.
Call it. I think that's what it is. 6th to
Alpine
7th. call it.
7100, contact London 135 decimal
That's the 4th to 5th.
35, 805, bye-bye, bank 7100.
Yeah, so that's the 4th to 5th. And this one is the 6th to 7th. Call it.
To maintain 77 or less.
And you can see they all get smaller.
Roger.
Smaller, smaller, smaller. I need one more after this. I don't know if I can get a smaller one. Just about get away with that one. Right, let's do it. Slice it up. Oh, this one's going to take 32 minutes and cost 23 pence. That's what I'm pulling off the sides of this brim. It just helps stick it down to the bed better.
Delta 32.
Okay.
Movement 8 kilo, descend, flight level 270. Virgin 48
Oh, I didn't check if I got enough filament left.
270.
Should be. It's normally pretty good. So, I started with just over half a roll. I've printed 2 mistakes out.
418 Alpha,
Earlier
good morning. Keep the
versions.
jersey restriction,
And
descend,
I'm
flight level 270.
still on the same roll, so...
Restriction, climb flight level, sorry, descend flight level 270, we red 1 out.
Alright, let's get that going. Is it going to... oh. Let's get that going. Don't know what it's going on like there. Come on. Okay, let that carry on. So let's try this new bit on here. See if it'll.
Ryanair 98
works.
Lima Alpha, London Control, roger, climb, flight level 180.
Let's try to find the right section. Don't know which section it is. Where's it gone? What did I do with it? Where did I put it?
Delta 32, descend, flight level 190.
Descend
flight level 190, Delta 32.
Yeah.
28 kilo, descend, flight level 190. Delta 59, contact
Fits on there lovely, look at that.
129.380.
So the bit I want is inside. Right, let's see if that's it there. Oh yeah, is that it? Right. So you can tell if it's right.
Ryanair 98
It
Lima
should be
Alpha,
loose.
direct Elsa.
Should be loose until it gets about halfway down. Then it sticks, and you pull that out. And then you just got to push this round down the rest of the way to where you want it, like that. And that's it. It sits over the other one, and it sits exactly right, just like that. And you can take it off as well. It starts to get loose, not loose, but freer
Seabird 9,
out there.
07, good morning, keep the jersey restriction,
So that's
descend, flight
alright.
level
That's a
270.
good one. Worked out okay. So that's a pass. So I've got to put a screw in now and a nut. Let's do that. A screw and a nut. You don't want to use these multiple kit ones if you can help it, because they'll rust. So what you want is some stainless stuff if you can get it. running short of these little ones. Oh, have I got none left? Oh, there's one. A good value them boxes are, but only end up with a load of stuff you don't reuse. So, just all I've got is these ones. And I just push it in there. That's it, just push it in there, look. It sticks out the arse end. You put your nut on there. Hold it in place while you try and screw it in. And it'll find its way, just like that, just find its way into the receptacle part.
Contact London 135.805.
Just tighten it up a little bit, not too much, just to get the nut to go in, and then release it off.
Station
number
119, Virgin 48 Whiskey Echo.
Okay, so right, that's good. Hey, I've nearly got a DX Commander. I can't believe it. Can't believe it, man.
Delta 32, descend flight level 140 to be level by Zurich.
Right, so look at this. Let's do some home in the tool head. That's okay. Right, oh yeah, what are we doing now then? Oh yeah, carry on with this. So, when I finish this little bit, in a minute, let's put the pole back on a minute. So there is another section here, one last section, look, that needs, and most people put tape on it. What is the last section? Joint 4mm and 6mm. Oh, radius, so 9mm and 12mm. I'll try one. I'll try another one. If we don't use it, we don't use it. So I'll have to create another joint. Hang on, joint 4. Oh, the top of the end sleeve. Yeah, you've got to make something fit the top. You've got to put the cable in and down, or a sleeve or something, for 40 meters. Yeah. Oh, we've got to sort the aluminium another day as well. So when I said we've almost got it, I lied. We've got 2 lots of aluminium to do yet. 2 lots of aluminium to do. But if I hang on, tell you what. Let's open up.
London, good morning. Victor at 407, climb flight 100 inbound Hong Kong.
Alright, let's have a look down here.
VistaJet 407, London Control, roger. Deconfliction service outside control airspace. What is your requested level? Requested flight for Victor 407 is 240, please. VistaJet 407, roger. Further climb shortly. Thank you.
Just trying to find a bit of milling. Oh, remember that antenna switch? Hey Andy, I've been trying to find some more connectors. They've gone up twice the price now. I'm trying to find some cheaper ones. I'll order another 80 and
Kilo descend flight 140 to be level by Zurich.
Get another 10 units out there. But is it worth it? I don't know. But oh, here you are.
07 descend flight level 190.
That was the last time I did some milling.
VistaJet 407 climb flight level 240.
Climb flight 240
What was that one? And it's last show. So yeah, that's my CNC for milling. The plates looks like plastic, but it's yellow coated, reclaimed aluminium. That's too thick. Needs to be thinner than that. Yeah, so we're going to see if they fit in a minute.
VistaJet 407 is deconfliction service.
We need to give it a name.
Crash VistaJet 407 radar control service.
Thank you, 407.
Delta 32 report speed to London 1298.080.
139.080, good day, Delta 32. Bye-bye.
So making the plate.
Hello, Ryanair 26 Quebec.
We've got to come up with the design for that yet. Anyway,
Ryanair 26 Quebec, Mike, London Control.
Oh, it started printing.
Level 280, report your requested level.
right, let's crack on with the rest of this.
Requesting flight level 370, Ryanair 26 Quebec.
Roger.
Let's crack on with it. So we've just got to do these last two, haven't we now? What time we got?
Mr. Jet 407, turn right heading 290.
20 past 10.
Alright, heading 290 degrees, it's 407.
Virgin 48 Whiskey Echo, descend flight level
20 past
140 to be loved by Zurich.
Station level 140 level Zurich, Virgin 48 Whiskey Echo.
20 past 10.
Ryanair 26 Quebec, Mike, climb flight level 330.
Climb flight level 330, Ryanair 26 Quebec, Mike.
What's it doing now? What's that line there? Oh, we don't want that, do we? We want that, 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 and that, and that. Copy. Move it down.
Virgin 48 Whiskey Echo, reduced to 280 knots. Can you still make the restriction at Zurich?
280 knots, and yeah, we'll try Virgin 48 Whiskey Echo.
Oh, they don't look right, do they? No.
London Canada 833, flight level 340.
Canada 833, roger.
Something wrong with them. Better fix them first. Alright, so we better undo that, fix them lines first, they're not right.
We've at 8 kilo, contact London with the speed 1298.080, good day.
1298.
It's one way of doing it, isn't it? The one's okay, it's just this one. It's got a wonky leg. Bit like
Ryanair
me.
26 Quebec, Mike, route direct, Clackey.
Route direct, Clackey, Ryanair 26 Quebec, Mike.
Route direct to Clackey.
Alpine 86 kilo,
Clackey?
Bravo,
What's
London.
Clackey? What's Clackey? Go to Clackey.
Hello, Ryanair 3 Victor Delta, climb flight level 190.
Anyone know what Clackey is?
Ryanair 3 Victor Delta, London Control, good morning. Redirect LNF, report your requested level.
Direct LNF requesting flight level 370 as final, please.
Roger.
What,
Hello,
you-
point 1001,
Oh, it's gone up
flight
in
level
the air.
190, zip, please.
Boyston 01, good morning. Redirect Nuchu.
Nuchu, Boyston 01. And Easy 151 Zulu, Alpha 150 business.
Easy 151 Zulu, London Control, good morning. Climb flight level 180.
Alpha 180, Easy 151
Redirect to Clackey. Don't know what Clackey is. What is Clackey when it's at home? Okay, so we could either just do something like this.
Virgin 48 Whiskey Echo, report speed to London 1290.080. 290. 48 Whiskey Echo, good day. Victor Delta, climb flight level 330.
Alpha 330, Ryanair 3 Victor Delta.
Hopefully we get this one
Viva
done
18 Alpha descend.
by the time this one prints.
By Zurich.
24, yeah we will.
Viva 9607
Easy.
descend, flight level 140.
Probably run out of filament, I'll have to go and open the new box.
140, level 0, feedback at 99607.
Easy 151 Zulu, climb flight level 230. What's your requested level?
Alpha level 230, request flight level 320, you want 512.
Roger.
Oops, where you gone? Come back. Come back, Jack, come back.
Spirit 18 Alpha is showing 6 minutes.
Thank you.
Spirit 18 Alpha reports speed to London 1290.080.
129080.
Right.
Oh, something wrong there.
London, November, April, Tower Charlie. Good morning, chicken in level 350.
Something wrong there.
November 848 Bravo Charlie, Roger, good morning. Descend, flight level 330.
Let's see. Help.
Ryanair 26 Quebec, Mike, climb flight level 350.
Climb flight level 350, Ryanair 26 Quebec Mike.
Ryanair 3 Victor Delta, climb flight level 350.
Alpha 350, Ryanair 3 Victor Delta.
Oh, come on, don't quit on me now.
Mr. Jet 407.
Go ahead.
Mr. Jet 407, we've got a shortcut for you for Dublin if you're ready to copy.
A shortcut to Dublin?
Ready to
Bloody
copy,
hell.
Mr. 407.
Mr. Jet 407, resume our navigation direct position, Bad C, Bravo,
Is there a
Alpha,
shortcut to
Delta,
Dublin?
Sierra, India.
Thank you, direct to Patsy, Mr. 407.
Mr. Jet 407, after Bad C, it will be Ablin, Alpha, Bravo, Lima, India, November for the Ablin 4 Lima arrival.
Copied after Patsy, Ablin, Alpha, Uniform, Bravo, Lima, India, November, confirm.
Negative, sir. Ablin, Alpha, Bravo, Lima, India, November. Ablin 4 Lima arrival.
You Alpha, Bravo, Lima, India, November for Ablin 4 Lima arrival.
Okay, we're on a roll here.
407, thank you.
Easy 151 Zulu, redirect AVTIC.
AVTIC, 151 Zulu.
Viva 9607, report speed to London 1290.080.
9.080.
Okay. Right, let's have a look. Any rogue geometry? Any rogue geometry? Yeah, there's a couple.
Good morning, Shamrock 381, flight level 150, direct in that.
Oh, what's going on?
Shamrock 1, Shamrock 381, level control, roger, climb, flight level 260.
Okay. Are we happy with that?
Requesting,
We happy?
flight level 320, final Shamrock 381.
We happy?
Roger.
We happy? Right, one left then. Thank the blooming gods.
Easy 151 Zulu, climb, flight level 320.
Yeah, that might be some day left. I might be able to do something else today as well. Right, here we go. Let's have a look. Are they straight? They don't look straight, do they? No. Does it matter? Yeah, probably does matter.
Ryanair 26 Quebec, Mike, contact London 135.255.
I'll try it.
135-255, Pioneer 26, go back, Mike. Bye-bye.
I'll have a look. Maybe it's okay. Maybe.
November 848 Bravo Charlie, descend flight level 270.
Oh, we're on the last one. Getting excited now.
November 848 Bravo Charlie.
Getting excited now.
Mr. Jet 407, contact London 1298.380.
129.380, Victor Jet 407, thank you.
Bye. Air Canada 833, contact London 1298.380.
129.380, Canada 833.
Running for Vegas, Ryanair 96 Papa Alpha, descending now 330 to Ascot. Ryanair 96 Papa Alpha,
Yeah, it's not quite right, is it? Not quite right. What a shame. Okay, so we'll make it right somehow. The one's okay, it's just that one isn't. Okay.
Right, hello, West 80 Heavy, flight number 340, direct, let's go.
West 80, roger.
London, hello, Beeline 1 Charlie Papa heading, climbing flight number 340, heading 285.
Beeline 1 Charlie Papa, roger, good morning.
London Control United 381, flight level 350, smooth.
United 381, good morning, route direct, Lipgo.
Alright, direct to Lipgo, United 381.
Easy 151 Zulu, contact London 135.580.
London 135.580, is you 512, goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Okay.
November 848 Bravo Charlie, descend flight level 200.
Descend to level 200, November 848 Bravo Charlie.
Boyston 01, descend flight level 140.
Flight level 140, Boyston 01.
London, hello, 023 Tango, flight level 350, jet.
Route 23 Tango, roger. When ready, descend flight level 270.
Descend ready, flight level 270, 023 Tango.
Oh, this one's nearly turning out okay, sort of. Right, okay. Let's get rid of some of this geometry. Might not make too much difference, but I don't like to see it in there. Because Bambu Studio might not like to see it either. Right, oh yeah, we're finished, aren't we? Oh, almost. almost. Right, any more rogue geometry? Can't see any. Where am I? In the village. Who are you? The new number 2. Who is number 1? You are number 6. I am not a worker, I am a free man. Yeah. Right, looks okay, I can't see any rogue geometry. Yeah, looks okay. Alright then. Oh, tell you what, let's give the whole thing at the once over for rogue geometry. Rogue geometry, where are you? Where are you, rogue geometry? There's always got to be one somewhere. Rogue geometry. Nope. Don't see
November
it.
848 Bravo Charlie, descend flight level 170, speed 250 knots.
Can't see any rogue geometry. Oh yeah, when doing this work you might get seasick watching it fly. I'm getting seasick just watching it. I've been feeling ill all day anyway, without even...
Ryanair 4 Delta Golf Land Control, good morning, climb flight level 140,
looks okay to me.
Requested level.
So we just need to strengthen and call it now.
Requesting 3705.
Yeah, so we need to grab that and come out 6 mil. Then we need to go round here and pull up its trousers to there. That's its little bit of extra strength and water runoff. Okay. When I do this, it's gonna lose that.
Over 2-3.
And make it act a bit weird. But oh, we've lost. Oh, that'll do. Don't matter. Right. So you got your bump there. Everything is there. Okay. So let's give it one more smooth and export. And this is the top one. Okay, so it's a 7-band spreader plate.
Poison 01,
Top.
descend flight level 120 to be level at New Tube.
Flight level 120 to be level at New Tube, Poison 01.
Okay.
November 848 Bravo Charlie, descend flight level 140.
Exactly, 140 November 848 Bravo Charlie.
Right. And that, oh yeah, we've got a collet to do yet, haven't we? God. I thought I'd finished. Am I not finished? It's got 11 minutes to go, so I can get the last spreader
Ryanair 4
plate
Delta
ready.
Golf, climb flight level 310.
So we'll have to create another collet now here. I don't know if that's big enough for a collet. Let's have a look in the real. Try and equate it to a real world. 12 mil. Right, let's have a look at the real thing. Is there enough room for a collet on the last 2 sections?
Ryanair 96 Papa Alpha, when ready, descend flight level 280 to be level by AVTIC.
When ready, descend level 280, level by AVTIC. Ryanair 96 Papa Alpha.
Can't get it out. Alright, let's try and get
Poison
the tweezers
01,
on it.
contact London 134.125.
Got it, got it, got it,
London
got it.
134.125, Poison 01 by.
Right, it's... Yeah, so there is the last section. There it is. So 12 mil's not a great deal when you're looking at it. Let's try again. So what we got? 12 mil and nearly 9 mil, 12 mil and 9 mil. Now I've got to work out whether I can put a bolt through and a bit of plastic, like a collet. There's one of my old ones. Will it? Can I imagine it tightening up on it? I think it needs one, doesn't it? There's no reason why you couldn't do it, I don't think. Let's make one. Most people put a bit of tape on it. I love these poles, by the way, they're fantastic. They're brilliant poles. I don't know why I didn't buy one before. Why didn't I buy one years ago? Messing around with hustlers. I've got a pile of hustlers down here, look at them. Hustler 5 BTV. I don't think there's anything wrong with it. I think it's just I didn't put enough radials down. They ought to tell you on the sheet when you buy it. Warning. You're only buying half an aerial. It's half an aerial. It's actually less than half an aerial without the right number of radials. And it specifies so many radials, 2 for each thing, so many meters. It's not enough. They don't tell you it's not enough. You need to go bigger. It's not enough. I mean, yeah, it'll get you working, but it's not enough to be good. They should just tell you the truth. Right, so I need to copy this now. We'll start with this one. So I'll take a copy of that, plonk it up here, somewhere like this. Oh, that'll do, and then you have to get it on X-ray mode, and you have to grab it from there, then line it up with that one, and then look at it end on. That's it. And then that's too big for that one. This thing, we might have to make it out of a smaller nut and bolt, M3 or something. Right, so first thing to make it unique, we'll have another layer, call it 4. So 4 of each.
Level 360, thank you, Beeline. 2 Foxtrot uniform. And 8 Bravo Charlie, descent flight level 120.
Actually.
Level 120.
Oh, spreader plate top.
Good morning, London. Speedway 6 Alpha Charlie, descent flight level 350 to level Jet 3 and
spreader plate 4
Charlie, thanks.
top. There we go.
Descent flight level 270.
Yeah, that's it.
Descent flight level 270, Speedway 6 Alpha Charlie.
So.
And 8 Bravo Charlie, brought your speed to London, 134.125.
Right, so that's now going to be, call it 4. And it's already unique, yeah, that's it. Okay. So, I've got to see if we can tighten it up across there. There's not a whole lot of meat left, so we might have to go to an M3. Yeah, probably have to go to M3. That's okay, I don't mind going to M3. 5 minutes left. Oh, we can start the next one going.
Good day, right now, 1 Alpha Bravo to you, flight level 210, restricted DISA, requesting 26.
Hello, 1 Alpha Bravo London, hello, route direct to Batsy.
Just when you think you're finished, you go back in the water. You remembered you got to do your aluminium yet. Oh well, that's the CNC, not the 3D printer.
Right now, 1 Alpha Bravo, climb level 260.
Or you could cheat and put foil on it. Could cover the plastic with foil, but nah, I don't want that. That's not a good idea, is it? It's alright for right inside the rotator, just screening, because you're not going to touch it, the switch. But when it comes to something like it'll work, but as soon as you take it on and off a few times, it'll be wrecked. So yeah. Okay, right. What we're next? Right, geometry. Let's copy the geometry. Oh, lose the poles a minute. So we want that, 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 and I'll get the holes. Although we'll have to probably make some totally new holes. That's all we want to reproduce that. Yeah, that's it. Okay, copy. Paste it in place. Right, okay. Now we've got to dismantle all this stuff again. So take off, get it back to a cylinder. Is any rogue geometry? Yeah, nice similar.
Rogue geometry. Good morning, Richard to Mallet.
Direct Mallet, United 322.
And good morning, right now, 2 Bravo Hotel, mission. Oh, right, 2 Bravo Hotel, Roger. Bluebird 6 Alpha Charlie, descent flight level 140, level by Zurich.
Descent flight level 140, level by Zurich, 6 Alpha Charlie.
Okay.
Bluebird 23 Tango, contact London, 129.080.
129.080, 23 Tango 1.
So we got back to our basic cube. Okay. So
Right now, 2 Bravo Hotel, you can route direct to Axis.
what we've got to do now is put the circles on for joint 4. So it's this here.
So man, just check B level by Axis.
Right. So we want the top one is a smaller one of the two, 4.575. 4.575, and then underneath we want 6.1. 6.1. We bring that down. Oh, now we've got to cut it, bring it into there, paste in place. Drop it down 6 mil. Bevel the edge 0.5. Drop it down 0.5. Turn it back over. Come out. Grab that. Cut it and put it in there. Right, so now we've got to get a calculator and work out the thickness. We want just the thickness. Where's the size is gone? So that top size is 4.575. 4.575 plus 12.
London Delta 91 now, flyable 300.
16.575.
London Delta 91, like to request flyable 320. Roger, do you know what level you get on the ocean?
16.575.
Yeah, yes, 32 on the ocean.
That should
Okay,
give
thank you.
us
Traffic just ahead of you at that level at the moment. He's going to pickle as well. I'll speak to him shortly and find out what
12
he
mil, yeah.
does. No problem, Delta 91.
So that needs to, oh shit, hang on. That should have been in here. $16.575, 12 mil, yeah, Now we push that down to there. We seem to have a couple of rogue entries.
London, United 1-2, flight level 320. United 1-2, good morning. Do you know what level you get on the ocean yet? We're looking for flight level 340.
Okay.
Have you got your clearance yet? Negative.
Right, so
as soon as you get it, you just let me know. Traffic behind you that's looking for your level. He gets 32 by pickle, so I guess you probably will get 34, but just let me know as soon as you can.
Right, so
we have 34 in our clearance. We do have a clearance. United 1-2. Okay, thanks. Can you take that level now? Yeah, we can accept it. United 1-2. Where's the semi?
just that's it, just stops it getting rid of the surface. Okay, so we've got that there. That needs to go all the way down to what was it, 16?
Thank you. Climb flight level 340, just outside of the traffic plate.
No, not 16.
Flight level 340, United 1-2.
So what was it? I forgot now.
Delta 91.
26. Oh yeah, should have been 16.
That's left job, we can take it out to 91. Over, press lift go. I'll give you climb shortly. Let's go down to 91, thanks.
16 plus 10. Oh no, it's 6, isn't it?
Experience Seabird 5 Whiskey Bravo, climbing flight level 15, so it's still 6. Seabird Whiskey Bravo, London, good morning, climb flight level 260, confirm requested.
So 20 mil, there we go.
Climb flight level 260 and requesting flight level 360, so 5 Whiskey Bravo. Roger.
Oh, yeah.
Heavy, flight level 300, inbound, position Barco.
Lufthansa 454.
Right, what's going on there, Neil? That's finished.
Lufthansa 454?
454, yeah.
Give it another couple of minutes and I'll go and swap it over and put the other one on. So we need to drag this one down down 2 millimeters. That's
Delta
it.
91, climb flight level 320. That's United traffic. Just said if you climbed up early,
Yep,
just to help you out.
okay.
Alright, great. Appreciate that. Delta 91, flight level 320.
Now we need to get the geometry, all this geometry. We can either move it, I'll tell you what, we should be able to just move it from there to there. Like that. Yeah. Okay. So that's where it needs to be. Okay. Maybe it'll work out, maybe it won't. Ah, so these are sticking out. See, these, when they're that's your length to get your 4mm nut, M4 nut in. So I think we'll push them along. So what we'll do is we'll grab the geometry there. No, grab that geometry and that geometry. And then we'll... No, we don't want the nut. Hang on, let's do 3D. 3D X-ray, sorry, not 3D. So we want that, that, and that. No, not that. Right, so we want that, 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 and that. And we need to move it over so that is there if we're going to use so we'll move it over that way to there like that. That'll allow enough space for the M4. Now whether that M4 will touch this or not is another story. If it is, we'll have to reduce the size down. Okay, why is that one moved too far over.
Anybody give me an audio check, please? My crew
Ah, because that's long. That's further away. That's right. So we're gonna have to
London,
extend
good morning. Silver Cloud 187, flight level 350. Silver Cloud 187, London. Roger. Good morning.
that. Right. So we're gonna have to grab all that now and
Silver
move
Cloud
it in.
187, you can route direct to Axis.
Apart from, we don't want that, that, or that, and we don't want that and that.
Silver Cloud 187, direct to Axis.
So we want that.
Direct to Axis, Silver Cloud 187, thank you.
Okay, so there's our new bit, so we can get rid of that now.
205, Whiskey Bravo, 195, you can route direct Lipco. Thunderbird, flight level 195, direct Lipco.
Right, so we're going to push that down to 12 mil, and that one.
Ryanair 2 Bravo Hotel will contact Scottish Control 128.055. Thunderbird 055, Ryanair.
And we need to draw, view the rest of the model, draw a line in the model.
Expect flight level 200 by Axis. Descent ready, flight level 270. Roger, we're expecting 200 at Axis, and when ready, we're descending flight level 270 now, so that's our 187.
Oh, what's happened? Why didn't he draw it? Okay, hide the rest of the model.
6 Alpha Charlie, report speed to London, 129.080.
That's why we didn't quite go
129.080 for speed, 306 Alpha Charlie, please.
Didn't quite go enough. Now it will, so we'll go down 14.5 mil. There's your slot. Okay, right, what's next? We've got an extra rogue line there.
Morning, London, American 732, flight level 360,
doing okay.
350.
Right, so grab that
when you're ready,
and
flight level
that.
270. Expect flight level 140 by 0.
We've got to move the whole thing over.
Expect 140 by 0 again. I'm sorry, say the altitude again first.
I didn't measure it, did I?
270. 270 when ready, American 732.
Okay, so I need to move that as well. I won't have to move
United
the whole thing over
contact London now 129.380.
somewhere as close as we can to the edge.
Ryanair 1 Alpha Bravo, contact London 129.380.
So I say 1.5.
129,
Yeah, that's nice.
Ryanair 1 Alpha Bravo, thank you, bye.
Now, will our shaft miss the edge of that? The pin, so we need to go parallel projection. Yeah, we're okay. We won't touch it. Although it's quite close. It's quite close. Does it matter? It probably does matter, yeah. We'll leave it though, we'll be alright. So we've got that there. We can pop that in by... Oh, we've got to get them cut and paste in place and push the nut in 2.5 mil and push this through all the way to there.
London, good day, the Samrock 1 Lima Kilo with you, we're coming flight level 15.
Go and get that and cut it.
Shot 1 Lima Kilo under control, roger.
Paste it in place, then push that through all the way to there. There we go. Right. Okay, so we've made another collar.
300, so requested.
And it's ready, I think. Yeah, it's ready.
Now,
will it do the trick? I don't know. All it's got to do is pinch that. It should do. the characteristics are all the same. Yeah, so it should pinch it. Should be able to pinch it. Let's go into it. Oh, it's come out. Make sure there's no
187, you're now cleared when ready, flight level 200, level by axis.
okay, we're cleared now
to descend, flight level 200,
call it 4. Smooth.
Good morning, Mike Lima, Julius Golf India, level 130, copy.
Mike Lima, Julius Golf India, London, hello, climb level 140, make your speed 280 knots or less.
Level 140, 280 knots or less, Mike Golf India.
Export.
Shamrock 1 Lima Kilo, route to Ditsa, and
right,
then
so
route
this
to
is the
Just maintain high speed for me, please, got traffic behind for Dublin.
6 to 5th. 6 to 7th. So it's not the 6th to 7th, it's the 8th to 9th.
Mike Golf India, climb level 150.
Level 150, Mike Golf India.
8th. How do you spell 8th? I've no idea. 8th to 9th. I don't know how to spell 8th and 9th. 8th. How do you spell 8th? Who knows? I don't know. Can't spell 8.
Right 10 degrees, climb flight level 340.
I don't know.
So right 10 degrees, be heading 320 degrees, and climb flight level 340.
Got to go, gents. Grandson has arrived. Have a great day. Catch you later. Okay, Edward. Thanks, Hagrid. Have a nice day. Yeah, catch you later. Thanks, mate. Yeah, we'll catch up with you later.
Control, good morning, Callum.
Have a good day, mate. Have a good day.
Right,
what am I trying to do here? 8th. On the 8th day. 8th. I don't know how to spell 8th. Why can't I spell 8? Well, 8th. Maybe I did spell it. Yeah. GHTH.
Amateur 131, control, Roger, to summon ready for level 160.
GHTH. Maybe I spelt it right in the first place. 8th and 9th pole, call it. There we go. Right. Okay, let's bring back the pole. So we've got varying sizes of stuff going on here. Yeah, be interested in real life now.
I'm going to
go down and get off the printer, go and get this off, and I can print the next one, so I'll back in a minute.
Okay.
Flight level 80 on route
I
to
do.
Costco.
Alright, I got that one.
Sorry,
I
is
could
that
try it
you?
on in a minute.
I'll
put a screw in it now.
Flight level 80.
Let's put a screw in it.
Runner 8 X-ray Romeo climbing flight
If
level
I've got any left.
190 to meet you.
Gotta get the right size.
Runner 8 X-ray Romeo, London, Russia.
Don't think I've got any
Elio
there.
80 Alpha. You're below my radar coverage at the
am I
moment.
gonna
It's a
be
basic service outside. There's numerous
short of
traffic.
one?
There's traffic in your 12 o'clock indicating flight level 3, 4
It's
and
too
no
long.
Roger, thank you. To the office. I'm just maintaining a good lookout, please. Short control airspace is past flight level 75. Let's go bit
That looks like it's in the wrong place.
Runner 8 X-ray Romeo, climb flight level 260.
Flight level 260, runner 8 X-ray Romeo.
American 109, climb flight level 340.
Right, let's just see.
Climb
Sometimes
level
you can't see
340,
from looking.
confirm American 109. AFA. Climb 340, American 109. Alpine 480 Bravo, climb flight level 350.
It's going to have a longer one this time. I'll have to get some more.
196 Echo, descent flight level 190.
Descent level 190,
Yeah.
196 Echo.
Run out.
17 November Charlie, descent flight level 100.
All those little boxes. There's not a whole lot of the same ones in there.
Checking the base 240.
Runner 7 Echo, Pablo, descent flight
That's
level
alright.
170.
It's just longer than it needs to be. I'll
Alio
get some more another day.
Joining control airspace, radar control service, climb flight level 180. Still have a 180, copy, Alio 30 Alpha.
Let's just start out in there. Oh, let's get some printing while we're waiting.
Level 3302.
Let's get some printing.
December when ready, flight level 270.
Alright, so we've done that one. New flight.
Alio 30 Alpha, fly heading
Import.
100 degrees.
And we're going to do the
Easy 17 November Charlie, right
top.
heading 285.
Where is it?
Right 285 is a 17 November Charlie.
Spreader plate
Charlie
top.
Sierra uniform, report heading to London, 135.
That's certainly the one, isn't it? Yeah, that's the one.
Heading with 1352, sorry, yeah, 135255 to Charlie Sierra uniform.
That's the one.
Climb by level 320.
I've still got filament left, so might be enough for this. Crazy how much I've done with 3/4 of a roll.
Alpine 8663 Delta, climbing for level 190, Baptist.
Alpine 8663 Delta under control, morning, climb by level 270.
Climb for level 270, Alpine 8663 Delta. Good morning, London, United 971, flight level 340.
Yeah, I'll do. 70 pence, 1 hour 15.
Direct L, let's go, United 971.
Seabird 196 Echo, descent
That'll
level
do.
140, level by Zurich.
Descent level 140, level by Zurich, people 196 Echo.
American 734, reduce back again to 250 knots.
Just made myself a cup of tea.
We're getting an awful lot of
Third one of the day.
Okay, you can offset a mile to
Since
the
5
left
o'clock this morning, waking up feeling ill.
Alio 30 Alpha, turn left heading 090 degrees. Heading 090 degrees, Alio 30 Alpha. American 732, reported speed London, 129.080. Easy 17 November Charlie, heading Bristol, 125655.
No, 655 is a 17 November Charlie, bye.
Speedbird 7 November Yankee, contact London, 129.380.
129.380, Speedbird 7 November Yankee, bye.
Virgin 22 Quebec, descent flight level 140, level by Zurich.
Right, we'll try this in the pole next.
Speedbird 34 November, descent
Let
flight
that
level
carry on for a bit. Okay, let's have a look. Let's put this on the pole.
Alpha, report heading to London, 135.805.
It's fine. See if it tightens up on the one we think it does. I don't know which one it is. I'll have to guess. Not that one. Oh, it probably is that one actually. Yeah, that's the one. So it sits on that one, and then you have to pull this one out,
280.
and then this has to drop. And it's supposed to.
And requesting
you can't see it.
370 final, runner 8 X-ray Romeo.
So there's the end of the thing. So if I push it on, just rattle it.
Lipui, confirm Zulu India Papa Whiskey Echo.
Ava.
So it drops
We
and
Ryanair 8
stick,
X-ray Romeo.
American
about
734.
before it gets there, it needs to start to stick.
And your speed to London 129.
So then you push it, the last bit. Just push it the last bit.
Control United 17, flight level 150.
It's a little bit tight there.
United
Let me just
17
see.
under control, run
if I
to climb,
can do
flight
it.
level 170.
Flight level 170, United 17.
You can push it, yeah. So it's really good fit.
Flight level 340.
That's fully extended and it's
United 995.
there's the split in it, and it's not even touched yet. So,
Tuxie Lipco, United
so I could just
995.
tighten it up. Not many,
Ryanair
don't need a lot.
780,
That's in it.
level 130, level by Biffin.
Brilliant.
10 130 level by Biffin, Ryanair 78 Pop.
That turned out okay.
196 Echo, report speed to London 129.080.
Let's see if we can get it back off again.
London 129.
Yeah, we can get it off. That's it, and it's loose. Yeah, it's perfect. Perfect, even though if I say so myself.
7 Kilo Echo, flight level 350.
Even though I say to myself. Right, so we've got that collet ready. Just got to get a shorter bolt.
Ryanair 8 X-ray Romeo, turn right
So,
10 degrees.
That's that one.
Turn right 10 degrees, heading 226, Ryanair 8
And now
X-ray
we're printing.
Air Canada 858.
Which one are we printing now? We've just printed that one. Now we're printing this one. You can't see. So we just printed that one. That's the one I just tried on. And we're printing this one next. The top spreader. And then we've got one more collet to print. There. Then there's a tube to pull, but I've got a hole in this so you can just put it a knot through. I think you need a tube on the signature. There's a lot to it, isn't there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Plus two metal plates. So I've got to redesign this into an aluminium plate next. We'll have to make a collet and a spacer. Not now though. Not now, later on maybe, or something like that.
Direct Resno, United
Just save that. So, have I finished this top collet? Did I actually finish it? Oh, I did finish it. I think. Did I export that? I don't remember.
London, thank you. Descend now, please. Flight level 330.
Yeah. So we've got 6th to 7th collet. So we've got 8th to 9th collet to import in. So I finished it. Yeah. So we're waiting. I can fill that in there. So I've just put that in there, and this is the 7 and actually top. I thought I'd put this in already. Spreader plate. I thought I already put that in there. Oh well. Right. So let's count them. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, is that look about right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, that's it.
1239880,
So yeah, so we've got to put the last one in. Let's put the last one in.
X-ray Romeo, report heading to London 129.380.
Import
380 with a heading Ryanair 8 X-ray Romeo.
8th to 9th.
Ryanair 18 Yankee Lima, direct to Bambu.
Spreader plate.
Climb flight level 280, confirm request level.
6 to 7.
Climb level 280, requesting 340, 917.
Thank you.
Second to third.
We're requesting flight level 300 degrees.
8th to 9th, call it 8. That's the one.
Climb now, flight level 280.
And we managed to use an M4. Yeah, we managed to use an M4. Okay. Yeah, that's definitely the right one because it's got a tiny hole in the bottom.
Runner 69 X-ray Zulu, descend flight level 160.
So this one.
16069 X-ray 0.
Right, so this one is 8. How'd you spell 8? 8th. I can't.
American 98, descend flight level 270.
2-9.
American 98.
X 87 Kilo Echo, direct Pepsi.
Direct Pepsi, 87 Kilo
9th.
Echo.
United
Call
17, climb flight level 340.
Flight level 340, 917.
Okay, so that's that
Ryanair
one. That's the
188
last
Lima,
one.
climb flight level 300 cruise.
Ryanair 300 for cruise, Ryanair 180 Lima, thanks.
Ryanair
So we're printing that one. We've got to wait. It's not that long, is it? I don't think, to wait. No, 1 hour 12. That's because it's smaller. Before we started printing it. That's great. Okay. Right, we'll leave that for a bit. So the top bit, I don't know if they use. Hang on. Let's just have a look through this video. I don't know if he has anything on the top.
Alpine X6 X-ray Delta, climb flight level 350.
Oh.
Climb flight level 350, Alpine X6 X-ray Delta.
Ryanair 69 X-ray Zulu, report heading to radar 125.655.
Can I confirm progressive for Ryanair 69 X-ray 0?
125.655, Bristol.
5655, Ryanair 69 X-ray 0, bye.
With our sprint delivery service, we can get this over to them in as little as 20 minutes.
Oh yeah, advert.
No?
Old tech. Yeah, let's have a look what he's doing on the old end. Does he show you the end? No. Right, so it's not showing you the end. That must
American
be another
980,
one.
descend flight level 140, level by Zurich.
Zurich down to 140, American 98.
Installation. It must be this one.
Alpine 86 X-ray Delta, contact London 128.815.
128.815, Alpine 86 X-ray Delta.
Must be this one. Where is it? Hang on. Just want to see what he did with the end of his. What did he do with the end of it? Does it show? No, he won't show you that there. It's got it when he lies it down. Yeah, I don't like this. That's why I did mine. I don't like this. I don't like it. But anyway, I just didn't like it. So what's he done on the end? Is he going to show you? Is he going to show the end? Almost.
987 Kilo Echo, contact Scottish 128.055.
Oh, that's it. Yeah, you don't need a tube on this one. Just push it through.
Contact London now 129.380.
That's great. That's all I wanted to know.
12938 Ryanair 180
I haven't got to make anything else because mine's got one of them.
Traffic control, DC46 Alpha Bravo, good morning. Descending flight level 350 to be level by E-Pace.
Right, so
46 Alpha Bravo, thank you. Routes, E-Pace, and then Pepsi.
we could, I suppose. There's nothing to stop us making the metal plate. What? while this is printing
Roger,
that.
Charlie, hello, go to Telka. Climb flight level
Or could do with a
260.
break this afternoon maybe.
Okay.
I could design it now and mill it this afternoon, but there's no rush. No rush, so I'll leave that. I don't want to do it all in one go. Oh, we've been going 3 hours 38, that'll do. That'll do for now. Don't know whether I'll do one this afternoon. I might do. Yeah, I might come on and do a bit this afternoon. Anyway, so we'll let that carry on. And
EC 46 Alpha Bravo, when ready, descend flight level 200.
that's going to be it for now.
180 by Pepsi.
When ready, flight level 2.
Catch you on the next one, whatever that is.
200, EC Alpha Bravo.
This afternoon or Monday night.
Virgin
No, it
5
might not
Charlie,
be
before
Monday
your
night.
requested level.
I normally watch Darren on Monday night. Anyway, we'll say 7-3 all. Thanks for watching. Have a good day, the rest of the day, and I might be on later, or I might not be, don't know. We'll see how excited I get over it. Whether I want to carry on working today on it. Alright, bye bye.
Is that a question?
Yes.
The question is futile.
That information is not available.
My interpretation of the data leaves little room for error.
You know what they say. No good deed goes unpunished.